Welcome to another episode of Black Foodie How to Eat. Today we've got a really special episode because I've got my friend Marvin, aka Senior Gumboy. He is one of the funniest people on the internet, for real. What I love most about your videos is the way that you can make people laugh, but you introduce them to Caribbean culture in such a funny way.
You know, Caribbean culture is so big here in Toronto. We've all experienced it, and if you haven't, you definitely need to, right?
I think the best way to experience it is really to try the food, for real. You need to try the food.
Exactly. Let's order something.
Let's order. So I think let's use SkipTheDishes because they've got like over 27,000 restaurants, and I know they're gonna have some good Jamaican food.
And I want to, give you some items that I don't think you've tried before. So I got a few surprises for you.
Okay.
And
I'll let you do that. I'm not even gonna peek. Okay, get ready for a really awesome crash course on Jamaican food. Oh my God, this looks so amazing.
Right? It smells like my mom's cooking on a Sunday. I can't wait to dig in.
So wait, what should I start with?
Oh, okay. You gotta start with the oxtail, with the white rice. You are gonna love it.
For all the newbies, what is oxtail?
So it's a cut up cow's tail that's slow cooked for hours. And for those who don't know, you gotta get the oxtail gravy. It is like the ultimate gravy, if I can say so. If they ask you, be like yes, and can you put some extra?
And I love that there's beans here too.
Yes. We like to call it a little butter bean, as we like to say in Jamaica. Are you in flavor country?
I'm in flavor world. Oh my God.
There you go. It is that slow cooking of the oxtail that really builds up the flavor profile, and that is why you have to get the gravy.
What are you digging into? Because this looks really good, but I actually don't know what it is.
So I went plant-based a few years back. So I have basically a vegan medley of things here.
Okay.
We have some jerk tofu, also kind of known as veggie chunks. We have some avocado. Jamaicans like to call it pear.
Really?
So if a Jamaican ever asks you to bring a pear for them, they want, an avocado. We have the macaroni pie with no cheese. We also have some plantain in here.
I think you meant to say plantain, right?
Plantain. Right?
Africans say plantain.
How do you say mountain?
Dang.
Okay,
You
all
got
right.
me right there.
Points. We got them. We do have some roti here that I don't know if you want to get into.
So wait, how do you say this? Because I heard some people saying roti.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, don't say it like that. Okay, roti.
Okay,
All
roti
right?
again.
Roti. We got some chickpeas, some curry chickpeas, just so you can get a taste of, the veggie life.
How do I eat this though? Should I get my knife? Should I get a fork? Like,
No. When you're eating roti, you gotta eat it with your hands. You gotta get in there. You ever see people eat pizza with a knife and fork?
No, I don't do that.
Right, well, we don't do that with roti either.
Ooh, look at that. You got the curried
All right.
chickpeas up in here.
Let's cheers to that.
Cheers, hey. Very good. When I order from Caribbean restaurants, I always try to get their house-made drinks.
Yes.
Because it's gonna taste so much better. So this is made in-house. You've got like real carrots that have been juiced, and then you've got ginger beer that's created from scratch.
Yeah. Don't let the little sediment at the bottom, scare you. That just means it's made out of real ingredients. There's no preservatives or any of that stuff. They make it in-house, usually like daily.
There's so many things. I want to try something else. Let's see.
Oh, I almost forgot. A patty with cocoa bread, right?
Let me see this.
Yeah,
Can I take it out?
Yeah, take it out.
It's like a patty sandwich.
Essentially,
Okay.
right? So the cocoa bread, it's like a thicker bread. It's a little sweet, and patties come in all flavors. You could get a veggie patty. There's chicken ones. Now they're making some oxtail ones. They're really getting experimental with the patties. But if you really want to have the true experience, you got to get with some cocoa bread, guys. You got to get with cocoa bread.
I was familiar with this because in university, this is what we would do. It was really, really budget friendly. If you want to stretch $1, you want to be full, you want to have really good food, you basically get yourself a patty and cocoa bread. And I think that's what I love about Skip too. Like, you've got a lot of affordable options.
Exactly.
They don't have any like hidden fees in there. So I can get a little taste of everything while you're introducing me to like these Jamaican foods.
Exactly, and bring like the experience of Jamaica at home, right? With all the food, you can get your music going.
Ooh.
And to really have, I guess, the Caribbean experience, you gotta have some good friends, right? Because food that's made with love, you gotta have your loved ones around you.
I love this. There were so many options. Shout out to SkipTheDishes because I feel like I got a taste of Jamaica.
Yeah.
And you helped me bring the vibes home. So thank you so much, Marvin, because this was
Thank
dope.
you for having me.
I think I'm ready to eat though.
Oh.
Let me go ahead and get this plate.
You said the magic word.